Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to disable Temu pop-up notifications. If you're getting constant Temu pop-up notifications, you can turn them off either inside the Temu app or through your phone settings. So option 1, disable notifications in the Temu app. So open the Temu app, then tap on New at the bottom. Then from here, go to settings, go to the top right and click on settings. Then from here, scroll down a bit and open notifications. So here you can turn off order updates, chat messages, customers activity, promotions. So to turn them off, just click on edit and go to push and just toggle it off just like so. So again, let's say order updates. So you want to turn this off, just click on edit and toggle off push notifications just like that. Now option 2 is to block all Temu notifications on iPhone. So close Temu app and open settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and look for notifications. Open it. Then let's scroll down and look for Temu and open it. Then toggle allow notifications off, just like that. Now if you're using Android, you can block all Temu notifications too. So open settings on your phone, then tap on apps or app management, then look for Temu and select it, then tap on notifications, then toggle allow notifications off. Or you can turn off allow notifications, then turn off allow notifications or disable specific notification categories. So as you can see on my end, this is already disabled. And that's basically it.